Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best Apple Pear slicing tool reviews. One dot made of good quality ABS and stainless steel materials, stylish design, environmentally friendly and non-polluting, safe and convenient to use. 2 dot easy to use, fix the apples on the blade, turn the handle clockwise. The blade will automatically peel off the apple's peel. The peeling speed is fast and the peel is not easy to break. 3. Blade can be disassembled, easy to clean, hand-cranked peeler, peeling easier. 4. Save for time and save effortless gadgets that will become your good companion.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.